Hello, everyone. This is Jeff Rumberg. I'm a managing partner with MetricNet, and we're going to go through a demonstration of MetricNet's Service Desk ROI calculator. You start by entering some basic information about your service desk, and I'm going to make these numbers up just for illustrative purposes. Let's say, for example, that we're handling 5,000 agent-assisted tickets per month and that we're supporting 7,000 users. Let's further assume that we've got 11 analysts that are taking care of those 5,000 tickets per month, and our ticket handle time is 10 minutes. And we look at salary. Let's assume a salary of $42,500. This is base compensation for your analyst, $42,500 per year. Let's further assume that we have a customer satisfaction of 93%, a net first contact resolution rate of 82%, and a net first level resolution rate of 87%. Now what we have to do is break down these 5,000 tickets per month into their respective channels. Let's assume that we're handling 2,000 of the 5,000 through voice. Email and voicemail are sort of dying channels, but voicemail in particular is not used much anymore. Let's assume that our email and web submitted tickets are 1,500 per month. Let's assume that our chat volume is 1,000 per month. And then we've got a walk-up volume of 500 per month. Now, you'll notice that these numbers, 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 500, add to 5,000. That's important. These channels need to add up to your analyst-assisted monthly ticket volume. We add separately the monthly self-help volume. Let's make up a number of 1,500 self-help tickets per month. Now, you'll notice as we were populating your data, automatically being calculated down here was your estimated annual operating expense, your estimated cost per ticket, your estimated balance score, which ranges from 0 to 100%, and your estimated percentile performance. This service desk would be in the top quartile. They're a 77th percentile performer. Now, as we were populating this data, simultaneous with that, we were populating the channel mix ROI. You do gain something by deflecting contacts into channels other than voice. The self-submit channel is lower cost than voice. The chat channel is lower cost than voice. And of course, self-help is lower cost than voice. And by deflecting contacts and tickets into lower cost channels, we gain an estimated $306,000 per month. Now, if we look at shift left ROI, because our first level resolution rate of 87% is higher than the industry average first level resolution rate of 80%, we are shifting tickets to the left. We gain something through shift left, and it's estimated that we're gaining about $290,000 a month by shifting tickets to the left. That is by achieving a first level resolution rate in excess of the industry average. Now, finally, we're going to calculate the productivity ROI. And this, by the way, is typically the single biggest contributor to ROI, because the number one strategic objective of a service desk is to make end users more productive. Now, because this service desk operates in the top quartile, 77% percentile bracket, they're returning an estimated 56,000 working hours, productive hours per year to those end users. We can monetize that and estimate that this service desk is returning the equivalent of almost $4 million a year in productive time. So when we add all these up, the channel mix ROI of $306,000, the shift left ROI of $290,000, and the user productivity ROI of almost $4 million, we've got a return from this service desk. That is the numerator in the ROI calculation of about $4.6 million on an annual operating expense of $935,000. Run the math on that, and we've got an estimated ROI of 487%, which is good indeed. Ideally, you want the ROI of your service desk to be above 100% because that indicates that you are creating economic value in excess of your annual operating expense. So that's a real quick run through MetricNet's ROI calculator for the service desk. I hope that you will download the ROI calculator and begin using it today. Thank you.